Alright guys, to get started, first you need to sign into your dashboard and then proceed to your modules. Here, you're going to find the affiliate program, which you can enable simply by clicking activate. Once you've activated the affiliate program, you can see all the settings that are available to you. These settings include the following: affiliate approval, where you can decide whether every client you have is an affiliate or choose whether to approve affiliates on a case-to-case basis. Second, you have the sale approval, where you can choose whether every sale gives an affiliate commission or if you have to review them on a case-to-case basis as well. Third, you have the commission type, where you can choose whether only the first sale of a new client counts towards an affiliate's commission or if every sale going forward counts as well. Every new visitor via an affiliate link will receive a tracking cookie, which allows us to keep track of who referred them even if they close the website and return at a later date. This setting here allows you to choose how long this cookie will be active for. For our next setting, we have the sales page location, where you will paste the link directly to your sales page on your own website. There are multiple customizations that can be made to this. For example, you can add the referrer's first name into the URL directly, as well as their last name or company name. So to show you how this practically works in real life, we've set it up to show the referrer's first name directly in the URL. And if I go over to this next tab over here, you're able to see my first name as I'm the referrer in this case. Another very important setting for your commissions is setting up how much commission will your affiliates actually receive. Here you can set up a different commission for every different user, or just have a general commission for all users and all services at a fixed amount. If you'd like, you can even make more rules and have different users have different amounts of commissions. If a specific user has a higher commission than the normal amount, this will be prioritized when calculating their commissions. As the last setting available in your affiliate settings, you have the program description. Here you can set up the text that is shown to your clients whenever they go into their own commissions tab. I hope this video has helped you get your affiliate program set up, and thank you so much for watching this. Please feel free to reach out in case you have any questions or would like any further explanations. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a fantastic day.